Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Edipo Kleber, an architect. I want to show you a product right now that you can use in the outdoor area of your house. Around the pool, in your garden, in your backyard, in that outdoor corridor you have at your house. The famous Fulget floor. Some people know it as Fulget floor, others know it as permeable flooring. Several colors available for you, and the coolest part I want to show you right now, the living proof. Come here. Look at this here. Totally draining floor, look. I showed you this in other videos here, look. It's a floor that absorbs and lets the water flow naturally. Look at this. It's non-slip, which is also great for you to use around your pool. Made with natural stones, guys. Look, these are natural stones, and here we have several colors. Just here we have a palette of 5 colors. Just here, look. This is a mixture of products, some natural stones with a product called Hold Stone Pro, okay? You're going to mix this product. You'll use, for example, a concrete mixer, which is more common and faster when you have a large area in your house to do this. If you have a small area, for example, you can use a traditional mixer, it works. But for a large area, a concrete mixer is better. You're going to mix the color of the stone you chose here. In this case, we have 5 colors, and you mix it with Hold Stone Pro. Get an aluminum ruler to do it, make it really level, and then use the trowel to get this smooth finish that you're seeing here, okay? Chic, beautiful, trendy flooring, luxury flooring, hard wearing, because this is stone and it's durable. Another question I got a lot is, can you drive a car over it? Here, this is a parking lot. These are parking spaces. Each color you see here is a parking space, okay? So, if you were looking for a nice floor, a resistant floor, a draining floor, here it is. Now the question, right? Hey Ed, where can I buy this product? How do I buy the kit? You're going to buy the kit, you're going to buy the natural stone in the color you chose with Hold Stone Pro. It's a kit that you have to buy. Down here in the video description, I'll leave the Escuta Velho website, which is where you'll buy this amazing product. Check it out. European technology available for us here in Brazil. All right? The website where you can buy it is down below. You asked for it and I'm bringing it to you now. Use the coupon ARC7 and you'll get a discount when you make your purchase. All right? And leave a comment. I want to know your opinion. What do you think about this here? What do you think about this here? Fully draining flooring, resistant, with a color palette for you to choose from to match your project, your home's outdoor area project, all right? The information is down here. Come here, come here, come here. Don't close it, don't close it, don't leave the video, come here. Look at this. A lot of people asked, hey Ed, if I stand there, if I wash it, will the stones come off? Show it up close here. Show it there, look. With the famous high pressure washer, see if any little stones come off the floor there. Look, check this out. Is it hard to clean? No. With a high pressure washer, you'll clean the floor easily. Check this out. If you choose this whiter one, this grayer one, you can pick whatever color you want. And then when it's time to clean, look, a high pressure washer is super easy, right? This is also a common question people have asked me. How do you clean it when it starts to get dirty and everything? Here, guys, look at this. Can you also notice that water isn't accumulating? That's what it does. It's a draining floor, see? See how cool that is? A European technology available for you who want to make your home's outdoor area beautiful, resistant, and durable. All right? The information is down here in the description of this video, directly on the Escuta Velho website. Take care.